We'll start problem. So hi to everyone. Guys, can you hearing me who are in online? Sir, is
Yes.
my voice is clear, please?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Sir, by the way, my name is Sairam. Okay, sir, so I am working in Techouts from last 6 years. At the same time, I have a 12 years experience in training. Okay, on Spring Boot and every tools like Postman, Maven, okay, Kafka tool, Kubernetes, Docker. Okay, I'm working on it. The next point is what, sir? Okay, so here I'm going to explaining you complete Spring Boot and microservices with our some basic tools. Okay, not only beginner level, sir, in completely advanced level also within 45 days. There is no doubt in that, and without any compromisations. Okay, now slowly I'll start small demo on our Spring Boot microservices. Guys, before that, let me know, sir, may I know, sir, who are from experienced people here? I know in my previous batches also, most of the students are experienced only. Sir,
Yeah, me, sir.
may I know, but Baswant, please, what about you?
Yeah, I'm experienced.
How many years, sir?
Sir, 2 years.
Sir?
2 years, sir. Two
Okay,
years.
okay. Are you working in somewhere now?
Yeah, I'm working in a company called Technology.
And which platform, sir? Is it Java or Spring and Spring?
Java. Java. Actually, I was doing automation testing before, but I moved into Java recently. So yeah, I'm doing that Java right now. So they're doing us training as well. So we have to like uh do Java. Like they're teaching us Java right now. And meanwhile, they asked us to learn by ourselves. So I'm joining this class.
Thank you,
That's
sir.
mm.
Thank you for valuable information. Muhammad, uh, what about you, friend?
Actually, I don't have experience. I'm learning for the Java, like they're taking Servlet. So after Servlet, there is a framework where we have to show all the input data as output. So that's what they said. So I want to know like what is the difference between Spring Boot, Spring Framework, Spring MVC.
Great, madam. So, I'm telling you one thing, which knowledge you have, Servlet and JSP. Okay, that knowledge definitely help you in our framework. Okay,
Oh, okay.
and very good knowledge because of here we are going directly learning Spring and Spring Boot framework. We are going to learning, right? So before this framework, compulsory we need knowledge and core Java concept. I'll tell you what concept we are going to focusing one by one. Okay, what you have exactly good, right? Thank you.
Okay. And I want to make sure like what you're going to take is the part of advanced Java after servlet.
Definitely, I'll explain you now. Okay, everything. I'll
Okay.
give clear cut clarity on
Okay, thank you.
which one is required for what purpose. Clearly, I will give know. Okay. Thank you, madam. Uh, Babu, may I know Babu, please speak out, please. Joshan Beju.
Yeah, me also experienced. I have 5+ years of experience. I'm
Okay.
currently working in a company as a Java full stack developer. There actually I'm using Spring only, not Spring Boot. Custom framework based on Spring. We are using that.
Now, are you using Spring in company? Yes.
Yes, yes.
I think you are working working with XML configuration, right?
Yes.
Good. Okay, that's enough. Okay, you will get more clarity. Right. Thank you, Hero. Mallikarjun Reddy, please.
Yeah, I'm from Bangalore. I'm working in TCS. I don't have experience in Spring Boot, but I am working in Spring with XML approach.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Here, Umat, Umakant, please. Guys, Umakant.
Yes, sir. I have one
What?
year experience in TCS and backend development,
Backend.
Java and PLSQL.
Okay. In Java, which one are you using? Spring and Spring Boot also?
No, normal core Java.
Up to CoreJava. Okay, good. That's enough to us to learn framework. Thank you, Umakant.
Thank you.
Okay, right. Venkat Ramana, please, may I know about you?
Yeah, I have 7 years of experience in
Great.
currently I'm working on the Spring Boot projects and as well as SAP Hybrids.
Okay, great.
I just wanted to learn the like Spring how we will going to handle the security is part of the Spring Boot project. So I just
Okay, understand that. Okay, security, very, very important.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. Vinay, may I know about you, please? Okay, guys. Okay, I'll tell you one by one everything. So now today I'm giving small demo session, sir. Like most of the all are you guys are experienced only. You will get more clarity. There is no doubt in this, sir. Sir, just I'm giving small demonstration about this complete. Okay, guys, please listen carefully. Sir, we are came from Java programming language. Sir, Java programming language. Programming language. Guys, one okay bullet point. We are learning programming language means what? Directly, I am saying, sir, developing softwares. Developing software, guys. Why softwares are providing the data services? Providing the data services. Even Java programming language also developing the softwares, guys. But guys, by using Java programming language, we are going developing only application softwares. Application softwares. So I'm not going to scratch level, my friends. Directly I'm coming the point because of all of the experienced people and you are working in somewhere. So just I'm giving directly I'm going, sir, application software. Guys, basically softwares are two types. First one is system software and second one is application software. The first one is what, sir? System softwares. System softwares, guys, system softwares are nothing but guys, operating system, OS. But OS purpose is what? Simply providing the environment to our applications. So we have so many operating system like Windows, okay, Windows, and then Mac OS, Mac OS, and Solaris. Like this, we have so many operating systems we have. So these softwares are provided the environment to run our application. But if you want to go with system softwares, it will take long time. Okay, long time to developing that one, sir. That's why by using Java programming language, we are developing our application software, sir. System software is what are creating environment, but application software used for to use a specific purpose. Specific usage purpose. Just I am giving some example, you will get more clarity. Suppose I am going to give the MS Paint, sir. MS Paint. Guys, understand MS Paint purpose is what? Just drawing purpose we are going to using. But with MS Paint, okay, we are not going to creating any documentation. Means to creating documentation, they given that comes functionality into MS Word, sir. MS Word. If you want to draw some painting, then go with paint. Because of painting option, they give into our paint option. Means what? Every application designing for specific usage purpose. Suppose I am talking about the WhatsApp. Everyone nowadays we are going to using. Purpose is WhatsApp. Simply we are sharing your information. There are text messages and audio, video, small content of data. But by using WhatsApp, we cannot create our resume. Want to create resume, then go with Word. Means what? WhatsApp for only sharing functionality, not creation functionality. So here, all application software, not only this one, sir, each and every application software having a specific usage, specific functionality, Okay, that's why what we are calling application software. And guys, this to developing this application software, nowadays we are going to using major programming language is called Java programming language. Sir, okay, I understand. But how many types of application software we are going to developing by using Java? Sir, basically by using Java, we are developing 3 types of application software, guys. 3 types of application softwares. Okay, the first one is called J2SE. 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 The second type is called J2EE. Our focus also second one. Here I am going to highlighting everything. J2EE. And the third one is what? J2ME. Means Java to micro editions. So by using our Java programming language, we are developing 3 types of application software. The first one is J2SE. The point number 1 clearly, sir. J2SE stands for to Java to standard edition. Standard edition. Standard edition. Simply Java to standard edition. Guys, the purpose of J2SE is simply developing standalone application. Standalone applications. Standalone application. Sir, what are the standalone applications? Simple, my friends. Okay, which application run in a single PC? Single computer, a single user. Such kind of application, what we call, sir, standalone application. Here I am giving some example. You will get more clarity, sir. Media players, guys. And antivirus, or we can call, sir, MS Paint, Paint. These are the best example for our standalone application, sir. Suppose, guys, understand, in my PC, I am going to using VLC media player. Purpose is what? Just play the audio, video, music. In the same way, you want to play music in your PC. Then what we require, sir? Compulsory, you need to install VLC media player in your PC. But by using your media player, I won't play in my PC. Means what? That application run within a single PC, single user. Such kind of application, what we call, sir, standalone applications. Standalone application, guys. So, sir, okay, I understood. To developing this application from Java, which concepts are required? That is very, very important. So, simply what we call, sir, CoreJava concepts are enough, my friends. CoreJava concepts are. Don't say CoreJava, my friends. CoreJava is nothing but a basic, okay, first concept, core concept. And in that first topic, what we require, sir? Variables are required. The next one, operators, compulsory we required. Then very, very important, control statements. The next one, guys, arrays concept. The next topic is what? String concept. Guys, understand these all are the core concept. Before going to learning any framework, these topics are compulsory. We are going to using, my friends. Just I am going to highlighting one by one. Okay, string concept. After strings, guys, very, very important is what? Our OOPS concepts. OOPS stands for Object-Oriented Programming System. And this concept provide to us a reusability, maintainability, readability, security, and we can easily maintain, sir. These are the concept. And sir, okay, by using to get a readability, reusability, maintainability, security, and encapsulating, compulsory we need to follow the OOPS concepts. And in that, the first concept is what, sir? Class. Very, very important, required to us. The next one is what? Objects. Okay, objects. The next part is what, sir? Inheritance. The next part is a polymorphism. Simply we can call, okay, polymorphism, method overloading, and method overriding polymorphism. Okay, polymorphism. The next one, and polymorphism is nothing but what we call method. Okay, method overloading concept. The next one is a method overriding concept. Method overriding concept. Method overriding concept. These two concept is called nothing but our polymorphism. Please understand. Okay, method overriding concept. The next concept is called, guys. Okay, next concept is what? Abstraction. Very, very important. Abstraction. The next concept is what? Encapsulation. Security, my friends. Encapsulation. Capsulation. After that, guys, interfaces. Okay, interfaces. The next one is what? Exception handling. Exception handling. Okay, exception handling. Along with we required collection framework. Collection framework. Collection framework. These are very, very important concept in our core Java programming concept. Sir, if you have an idea on this OOPS concept, sir, now definitely we are very strong in our framework concepts also. These are the basic things for every Spring Boot and Hibernate framework. Sir, tell me, sir, is it clear up to here? Please need your response. Sir, need small your response, sir.
Yes, sir.
So these are the topics we are going to using developing our standalone applications. Even freshers also, guys. Vinay, okay, even fresher also compulsory you need knowledge on this one, sir. Okay, class, object, inheritance, polymorphism. Okay, these are topics compulsory we required from the core Java. Okay, suppose you are strong in OOPS concept and core Java concept or framework is very, very easy. Okay, these are topics we are going to use in developing our standalone application. Now, guys, standalone application, here I am giving one small example. Guys, command prompt. Command prompt. This is nothing but a standalone application. And this application run in single PC only with our commands. With our commands. But if you want to develop, if you want to run with this application, compulsory we need to remember lots of commands, sir. Suppose I want to see the date, then you compulsory can use the date command. So I want to see the time command. That's why it is nothing but an interactive mode application. This application run in our single PC only. Not only this one, sir. Okay, I am going to showing one more application, that is what calculator application. Even this application is what we call, sir, standalone application. Standalone application. But sir, this kind of application nowadays we are going to using rarely. So nowadays most of the applications are web-based applications only. But guys, by using J2SE, we can't develop our web-based application. So to developing our web-based application, sir, now we are going to with J2EE concept. In that, then sir, what is the J2EE? Point number 1, sir, clearly understand. Okay, J2 means Java to enterprise edition. Understand? Java to enterprise edition, guys. According to our institute market, sir, that is what a advanced Java. What we call, sir? Advanced Java. Okay, according to our institutions, advanced Java. Sir, clearly understand. Then what is the purpose of advanced Java? What is the purpose of advanced Java, guys? Simple. The purpose of advanced Java is to developing web applications. Very, very important. To developing web applications. To developing web application. That is the main use of our advanced Java, guys. Now, my point, sir, what is web application? Just I am giving small definition, sir. Simple, which application designed with dynamic web pages very important dynamic web pages run in a browser, through internet, sir. Through internet. Such kind of application, what we call, sir, web-based application. Web-based application. Some example I am giving, sir, you will get more clarity. You know, guys, Amazon.com. This is a web-based application, sir. Our gmail.com, web-based application. www.com, what meta.com, sir. Meta, these are the best example of our web-based application. Sir, this all application we are going to open within the browser only through internet. Yes or no? These all are what we call, sir, web-based application. And this web-based application designed with dynamic web pages. Not only one web page, sir. Okay, one web page link with another web page. That's why what we call dynamic linking. Dynamic linking, guys. Okay, basically here web applications are two types, my friends. Web applications are two types. Web applications are here actually two types, guys. Just I am going to highlight here two types. You know, in that first type is nothing but a static application. Second one is nothing but a dynamic web application, sir. First one is what? Static web applications. The second one is what? Dynamic web application. Dynamic web applications, guys. Now, please understand, static means what, sir? Which web page content is fixed. Content is fixed. Content is fixed. Such kind of web application, what we call, sir, static web application. Now, I will give some example, my friends. Suppose if you visit our Amazon website, there we have a one web page, about.html page or contact.html file, sir. Understand? This web page content fixed for all the user, for me and you and our friend also. Means day to day, this web page content not changed. Such kind of web pages is called static web application. The next one, my friends, dynamic web application means content always change, sir. Content change day to day, time to time, place to place. Such kind of what we call, sir, dynamic web application. Best example, sir, I will tell you. Suppose, sir, if you go with book my show website, sir. Guys, observe one thing. Okay, if you search in morning time, it can show the one kind of data, one kind of time. And based on place, our content will be changed, theater name will be changed, and movie name also change. Same book my show, if you open afternoon, sir, that time automatically content will be changed. And if you show this time, it can display the one kind of theater, one kind of time, and one kind of shows. Means what happens, sir, depends on situation and time and place, content is going to changing. Means every time we are going to inserting new data and removing existing data. If required, we are going to updating. Everything we are going to changing. Such kind of web application, what we call, my friends, dynamic web application. Sir, clear up to here? Please need our response once. Sir, say.
Sir, at one point you said like each application website is interconnected. How it is interconnected? Amazon.com is different from the other website.
Yes. So when I go with Amazon website, sir, Amazon website, how you can open? Tell me. Without internet, can you access Amazon website, madam?
No.
Then suppose you want to working with X, X Twitter. So how to open Twitter even your mobile phone or in your system? Is it required net or required? Net is required or not?
Yes.
Okay, some cases, so static web page is there now. Static application not required to fetch the data from server, right? But most of the web-based application compulsory internet is required. Now, I am going to highlighting one more thing. When you are going to working with Facebook, my question, without internet, can you open Facebook application? Is it possible?
Okay, no.
That's why so which application output you are getting in browser, within the browser, what we call web-based application. But guys, 99 web-based application running with internet only. Because of all the web-based application, okay, the application owners, they deployed into server, like AWS server, Azure, Solaris is Google Cloud. They are going deploying. And from there, we are going to accessing that application functionality through URLs. Am I right? Madam, clear, please need your response.
Yes.
So net is
Yeah, got
mandatory.
it.
Net is compulsory. Okay. Now come to the point, sir. Sir, what about remaining? Need your response. Venkat, Vinay, Baswant, Babu.
Yes, sir.
Umakant.
That's good.
Sir, you can interrupt me, you can interact me. No problem. Don't. Okay. Sir, this is what our two types of web-based application. But guys, to developing this web-based application, compulsory we required 4 types of technologies. 4 types of technologies, guys. Now I am talking about one by one. The first technology is called client-side technologies. Understand? Client-side technologies. Already just I am going to highlighting in my way, my friends. Client-side technologies. So the purpose of client-side technology is to developing UI application. UI nothing but a user interface application. In that, first one is a HTML programming language is required. Sir, HTML purpose is what? Design our web pages. Simple. Design our web pages, guys. First point. The second technology is called CSS. Our HTML for only designing purpose. Sir, I want to add some styles to my web page. Then you can add styling. Okay, styling. You can styling. Okay, styling in web page. In a web page. Then go with CSS file. Sir, after styling it, so I added some border color, some font color, font face, some box model. I given grid layout, flux, everything I added with CSS. The next point is what? Sir, I want to give some validation before going to submitting my data, whether the given data is valid or not. I want to check it. For checking purpose, now we are going to using the JavaScript code, sir. JavaScript code, sir. From these 3, nowadays we are going to using framework that is what? React JS, guys. This is required to us because of we are Spring Boot developer. Tomorrow we are going to developing our microservices also, sir. There, instead of Postman, we are going to using Postman. At the same time, we are going to use React JS, or we can use Angular JS, guys. Required for full stack developers. But before going to learning React JS or Angular JS, compulsory we need knowledge and these 3 technologies: HTML, CSS, Java, script. So here what I am going to telling, highlighting, sir, compulsory, compulsory. Okay, either you are Spring Boot developer or guys, front-end developer to design our UI web pages. This is our very mandatory to us. These are what we call, sir, client-side technologies. For every web-based application, compulsory client-side technology is required. The next one, my friends, the next one is for server-side technologies. The second part is what? Server-side technologies. Server-side technologies. So simple one word, my friends. Okay, server-side technology, we are preparing with Java programming language. Point number 1. Purpose is what, sir? To write a business logic for our web-based application. Which codes are business, business code for web-based applications. web-based application. Clearly understand this point. To write business logic for our web-based application, then we are going with which one, my friends? Our server-side technologies. Server-side technologies. Just I given like this, sir, server-side technologies. Sir, what are the server-side technologies given by Java programming language? In that, my friends, the first one is called servlet. Servlet. Sir, it is not a framework, it is a technology. The next one is what? JSP. It is not a framework, it is a technology. By using this technology, simply we are going to developing our web-based application. Web-based applications, sir. But you know, guys, if you develop your web-based application Servlet and JSP, knowingly, unknowingly, okay, for inserting operation, for updation operation, there we are going to rating minimum 1 to 70 to 80 lines of code we are going to rating, sir. That is a lengthy code we are rating. Suppose if you write every time lengthy code, what happens, sir? Performance is going to automatically down. In order to increase the performance of our application, in order to avoid the duplicate code, they bring one mechanism is what, sir? Framework concept. Will dig more, time will become framework concept, sir. Now I am talking about the Java framework. The first framework name is what? Hibernate. The second framework is called Spring. And the third framework is what, sir? Spring Boot framework, my friends. These are the three frameworks we are going to using to write business logic for our every web-based application. Now, sir, why Hibernate? Sir, Hibernate main purpose is what? Implementing DAO, like a JDBC API, my friends. We'll discuss clearly, please, after this one. Now, guys, what is the purpose of Spring? So, Spring purpose is what? Simply developing web applications only. Web application only by using one pattern. So the pattern name is what? MVC pattern. Here MVC stands for model, view and controller design pattern. Very, very important in our Spring framework. The next one, my friends, Spring Boot. Purpose is what? Simply developing, okay, REST API applications, or we can call microservices. Microservices. These are the very, very important frameworks in our Java programming language. And guys, before going to learning our any framework, already you have a knowledge on CoreJava and Servlet and JSP. And even you don't know, I'll explain you these things required for our framework concept from Servlet and JSP. So these all are what we call, sir, server-side technologies. But if you go with Servlet and JSP, there we are writing lengthy lines of the code. But in framework, the lengthy line of code we are going to concising. In Servlet and JSP, common code every time we are going to writing. If you write common code every time as a developer, okay, time waste, lines of code is increasing, deployment costs also increasing, sir. In order to overcome, they bring the framework concept. Our framework compulsory concise our code, my friends. This is our backend thing, sir. 3.x, my friends. Okay, 3.x. Okay, Vinay 3.x. Now I think latest one 3.3.0, I think, right? Spring is 6.x version. X means what? Subversion, my friends. Now we are going to using 3.x version. Clear? Vinay, please. 3.x one. Latest one we are.
Sir, sorry to disturb you.
No problem.
You're taking the servlet and JSP also?
No, madam. I think Salvate, what knowledge you have, that is enough. But I will remind you. So in Salvate GSP, I'll remind you what is server, what is browser, what is the purpose of Salvate. Salvate, server run what kind of code, what is the HTTP protocol, why that protocol, what is the purpose of that protocol. So just before going to creating our framework application, these things are required to me. Definitely, I will highlight you this thing required in our framework, right?
Okay.
Again, if I go with Servlet JSP, it's a time waste, you know. And nowadays, company people have no one can using Servlet and JSP, right? All our company okay working with Spring and Spring Boot only. So not required to learn more Servlet and JSP, right?
Okay.
Thank you. And client and server side. The next one, my friends, here clearly understand our client side technology or our server side technology won't store data permanently. So guys, just I opened here login page. Okay, Facebook login page there. There I given data. After given data, just I close that browser. What happens? Which data you given automatically will be removed. So means what? Our UI technology or server side technology won't store data permanently. If you want to store that data permanently, now we required the fourth technology is called a database, guys. Just I am giving the here database concept. Database only store the data permanently in the form of rows and column format. That is what tabular format, sir. Tabular format. This is nothing but our database. Our database. So database store data in which format? Simply tabular format. This is the fourth one. But my points are database is not designed with a Java programming language. Database purely designed with guys, our SQL programming language. Guys, here our client side technology are HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Server side is nothing but a pure Java programming language. Now, my requirement is Java data I want to send to in database. And sometime database data again retrieve back into my Java code. For that, we need connectivity, sir. For connectivity purpose, I am going to using third technology is called Jdbc API. What is the purpose? Simply, okay, enable connection from Java applications to any relational database RDBMS and performing the CRUD operation. CRUD means what? Creating, retrieval, insertion, updation, deletion operation. Third one. The next database is nothing but my fourth technology, sir. Even you can develop any web application or REST API application or microservices, guys. Compulsory we required these four technologies. Four technologies, my friends. Very, very important. So what is the first one? Here, client side technology, server side technology, database, and next one is what our, sorry, JDBC connectivity. Next part, what we call, sir? Database is required. Even you can develop REST API application or Spring Boot web application or Servlet and JSP web applications also. So this is our complete end-to-end thing we are writing, sir. And guys, okay, with these things we are going to highlighting our framework concept, Hibernate, Spring and Spring Boot. The next point, sir, the last one, J2ME. So that is for mobile designing purpose or our micro device purpose, my friends. Clear my point, sir? Sir, this is the, okay, and this we are going to focusing on J2EE. J2EE, not for J2SE. So this is the end-to-end content, my friends. Okay. If you have any queries, please ask me about my demo session, sir.
Yes, sir, I was talking about like, do you ever take running notes or will these notes be provided to us?
Please again ask me. Your voice
Sir,
is...
do we have to take running notes or these notes will be provided, sir?
Definitely, I'll provide you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Once registration is completed, okay, which content I am going to providing, sir? Every content I'll send you. Guys, I'll show you here already. Before you, I am taking session through online only. Guys, understand. Suppose today I taken just before that, sir. Online session only I am taking. Okay, after our session is going to merging on this one, sir. Okay, like this, I am providing the every notes for you. Okay, required files are okay, how we are going to creating. Okay, every notes I will provide. There is no doubt in that.
Okay.
And I'm promising you guys, I'm not going to teaching you as a beginner level. Okay, sir, once you will get training with me, okay, definitely you can survive in anywhere, my friends. There is no doubt in that. Okay, definitely I'll provide all the notes here. Look, sir, okay, for you, just this like this, I provide the each and every note. Okay, suppose here I take in one session. Okay, like this, I will give each and every runtime note, sir. There is no doubt in that.
So in case we miss any kind of like videos or something, if you're not able to attend, so
Yeah.
will you provide the videos as well?
Definitely, definitely.
Okay. Perfect.
Okay. Video also will provide. There is no doubt in that.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay, okay. Which build will going the user? Okay, we can use Vinay. Okay, you can use it, no problem. Okay, I'll tell you, guys, about this schema. There is no doubt in that. Vinay, you can join tomorrow. Time will become. I will explain definitely. Vinay, can you hearing me? Sure, time will become definitely. I'll explain. There is no doubt in that. Okay. Sir, if any queries from your side.
Sir, you said like Spring, Hibernate, Spring Boot, and then microservices you'll be covering. So how long it's going to take to cover the Hibernate, Spring Boot, and then you go for the microservices? So can
The
we have some
duration
idea? Like, yeah.
coming. The duration is 45 days. Okay, 45 days. If unable to finish 45 days, will take few days more also. There is no doubt in that. Okay. And one more
Okay.
thing. So just I will give the Hibernate. Okay, what is what in 2 session, madam. And after
Oh,
that, same ORM tool will come in Spring Boot with Spring Data JPA. There we can highlight about Hibernate end to end, right?
okay.
Okay, there is no doubt 45 days will be take end to end without any loss of content. And guys, this institute people will send you that content, which content we are going to covering in your Spring Boot with microservices. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, if any questions, please ask me. I'll clarify you. Sir, are you understood my demo, please?
Yeah, yes, sir. Which database we're going to use?
Anyone, sir. We are working with Spring Boot, friend. We can use MySQL, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, anyone, H2DB, anyone you can use it. We can easily configure. So I'm not doing any hard work, Configuration code already available in our internet, right?
Yeah, I'm just expecting like Elasticsearch. Can we use like?
Elastic.
Yeah.
Okay, not possible that one. Okay, I'll show you with the PostgreSQL, MongoDB, and I'll show you with MySQL, Oracle, and H2, my friend. Right?
Yeah. Okay.
Definitely, Okay, I'll send you that. Okay, do that, sir. Once your registration is completed, guys, I'll tell you one thing. Okay, if I say all at a time, you'll get more confused. That's why I'm not showing you. Sir, I'll send you one booklet. Okay, like this. I'll send you one booklet for you for practice purpose. Right? This is what lab manual. Okay, I'll send you this lab manual. You can take Xerox copy for better practicing purpose, sir. Right? This is my content area. Everything I give it like this, sir.
So when will be receiving this material, sir?
I'll send you after complete registration. Definitely, I will send you this material for practice purpose.
Sure.
And we know just now asked me, sir, can you provide any interview? Definitely, sir. Right, Pojo class rules. Okay, how to create it? Okay, what is the STS purpose of STS? And how to prepare MVC layer. What is the REST API? What is the REST API pattern? What is the priority folder? What is the purpose of controller, service, microservices? Okay, everything will provide you. Once you will get confirmation, take our registration page, And this document I will send you, okay, for interview purpose and practice purpose, right? Sir, clear my points? Like this, what is the REST API, REST web services, everything I'll provide you guys. Sir, if any query, please. Thank you, my friends. Tomorrow we'll see in same time. Okay. Have a nice day.